Hey NaeBabes, it's Naturally Nae, and yes, I am back with another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you all how I achieve my lace closure sew-ins. So right here, I begin by plucking the middle of the lace where I want my part at. Sometimes it's on the side, sometimes it's the middle. I chose the middle, and I just want a clear part. It came free parted or whatever, and basically I just wanted to clean it up a little bit and make it look even natural once I put it on my head. So I think this is towards the back of the closure. I don't really thin out the back of the closure as much as I do the front, because I mean it's in the back and you want your parts to look as thin as possible but not too thin, and you don't want them too wide either, because then it looks like you got this big gap in the middle of your head. So right here I am going to the front of the closure and just making sure I pluck to where it looks as natural as possible. I pluck from with the tweezers and I pull towards myself. So basically I pull downward, if I'm not mistaken. I just pull downward with the tweezers, and instead of in an upward motion, because when you pull in a upward motion, then you kind of get more splits. That's just what I think. So, and I learned this method from Ashley Devana off of YouTube, and she got it from another YouTuber. But anyway, so now I'm just going to go in and finish perfecting the closure and just spraying the sides down so that all the hairs lay down, so that they'll be out of the way when I get ready to sew. See? Cute, right? And right now I will begin sewing the bottom track. Now the method that I use while sewing my units is different from when I first started. I learned this method from another hairstylist that I follow on Twitter. So I used to sew hand over hand and through the tracks, but to make it easier on my index finger and wrist, I now go through the end of the weft with my needle, and then I sew under and around the rest of the wefts instead of going through, the entire time. So by doing this, it shortens the sew time, and it also relieves pressure from your sewing hand. So yeah, go under, then you make a little knot, and then you just keep going under until you go to the other side of the track, and then you'll go through the weft again with your needle, make a knot, and then do the same thing. Go under until you get to the top of by the closure. So I just wanted to add, if you guys hear like some type of background noise, it's because I don't have a microphone. So I'm talking directly through my computer. So that's why it sounds the way it does. So sorry about that. But right here, I am basically in the middle of the unit and I'm almost done. So yeah. So basically I am technically at the top, but right now I am just measuring out how so basically I am technically at the top, but right now I am just measuring out how much hair I'm gonna need for to get to the top of my closure, because as I was getting closer to being finished I was starting to run out of hair, so I had to do what I had. And basically the way I sewed this wig, I had to use two of the tracks to sew by the closure, and then you'll see me go back in and fill in the middle with the rest of the hair, and then I'll complete sewing around the closure.